All Black EDC Gear and Gadgets represent a sleek and discreet aesthetic choice for individuals seeking a uniform and understated style. Ranging from knives and multi-tools to wallets and flashlights, these items prioritize functionality while embracing a minimalist, monochromatic design. Often crafted from durable materials like stainless steel or aluminum with black coatings, they offer practicality and a cohesive look, appealing to those preferring a cohesive and sophisticated EDC ensemble. I'd included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. Goruck GAR1 embodies durability, functionality, and versatility, making it a top-tier choice for adventurers and everyday users alike. Crafted from military-grade materials with a highly resilient Cordura fabric, this backpack withstands rugged conditions while providing ample storage space and organizational options. Its thoughtfully designed compartments, including a padded laptop compartment and mall webbing, ensure efficient organization and customization. The bomb-proof construction, reinforced stitching, and weather-resistant features guarantee durability and longevity. With its comfortable padded shoulder straps and ergonomic design, the GAR1 offers optimal comfort during extended wear, making it an ideal companion for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday use for individuals seeking a robust, reliable, and versatile backpack. Number 8. Fisher Space Pen stands as an icon of reliability and innovation, capable of writing in virtually any condition. Crafted with precision and ingenuity, this pen utilizes a pressurized ink cartridge, allowing it to write upside down, in zero gravity, extreme temperatures, and even underwater. Its durable construction and compact size make it a practical and dependable writing instrument for various environments and situations. Whether used by astronauts in space or as an everyday pen for professionals, students, or outdoor enthusiasts, the Fisher Space Pen offers unparalleled reliability, durability, and performance, making it an essential tool for those seeking a dependable writing experience in challenging conditions. Number 7. Crkt M1610 Keys Ed Folding Pocket Knife Everyday Carry is a reliable and versatile everyday carry knife designed for practicality and durability. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a durable tanto blade, this knife offers exceptional cutting performance and corrosion resistance. Its reliable locking liner keeps the blade secure during use, while the Carson flipper facilitates smooth and swift one-handed deployment. The lightweight and ergonomic handle design provide a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing precision and control. With its compact size and pocket clip for convenient carry, the Crkt M1610 proves to be a dependable and functional choice for everyday tasks, catering to individuals seeking a robust and efficient pocket knife for daily use. Number 6. Pilot's Watch Double Chronograph Top Gun Ceratanium Watch showcases cutting-edge technology and precision engineering in a timepiece tailored for aviation enthusiasts and professionals. Constructed from ceratanium, a lightweight and robust material combining the durability of titanium with the hardness of ceramic, this watch embodies strength and resilience. Its double chronograph function allows for precise timekeeping and measurement of elapsed time during aviation-related activities. The black dial with luminescent hands and indices ensures readability in all lighting conditions. With its sleek design, exceptional functionality, and military-inspired aesthetics, the Pilot's Watch Double Chronograph Top Gun Ceratanium stands as a top-tier choice for individuals seeking a high-performance and durable timepiece for professional use or everyday wear. Number 5. Schrade Shu 111 6.3 in high-carbon stainless steel full tang karambit knife represents a blend of exceptional craftsmanship and functionality in a specialized blade. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, this karambit knife features a curved blade design ideal for slicing, cutting, and precise maneuvers. Its full tang construction ensures durability and strength, providing reliability during demanding tasks. The ergonomic handle, designed for a secure and comfortable grip, enhances control and precision. With its compact size and included thermoplastic belt sheath, the Shu 111 proves to be a practical and efficient tool for various applications, catering to individuals seeking a versatile and robust karambit knife for tactical, outdoor, or everyday use. Number 4. Trayvax Axis Wallet. Epitomizes a seamless fusion of rugged durability and modern design in a compact form. Crafted from top-grain oil-tanned leather and sturdy stainless steel, this minimalist wallet offers both durability and a stylish appearance. Featuring an innovative design, the Axis provides quick access to cards via its retractable strap, while also securing cash and additional cards in its compartment. Its ORFID blocking capability safeguards against digital theft, ensuring security for sensitive information. With a slim profile and a range of color options, the Axis wallet merges functionality and style, catering to individuals seeking a reliable, sleek, and practical solution for everyday carry essentials. Number 3. Crkt Personal Defense Flashlight. Stands as a reliable tool designed for safety and illumination. Crafted with durability in mind, this flashlight features a robust aluminum body that withstands rough use. Its 500 lumen LED provides powerful illumination, aiding visibility in low light conditions. What sets this flashlight apart is its defensive capability, incorporating a striking bezel for self-defense situations. Compact and lightweight, it conveniently fits into pockets or bags for everyday carry. The multiple light modes, including strobe and high beam, add versatility to its functionality. Catering to those prioritizing both illumination and personal safety, the Crkt Personal Defense Flashlight serves as a practical tool for a variety of situations, from outdoor activities to emergency preparedness. Number 2. Sod Flint Survival and Defense Tool Safety Whistle. Fire Starter, Glass Breaker. Is a compact and multifunctional accessory that integrates essential survival and safety features into a single unit. Crafted with durability in mind, this tool incorporates a safety whistle, fire starter, and glass breaker catering to various emergency situations. The whistle provides a loud and piercing sound for signaling, while the ferrocerium rod and steel striker aid in starting fires even in adverse conditions. Additionally, the glass breaker tip offers a reliable means to escape a vehicle or break glass in emergency scenarios. Its lightweight and compact design, along with a lanyard hole for easy carrying, make the Sod Flint an essential and versatile tool for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, or everyday safety. Number 1. Schrade Schaff 8B's Viper. Showcases precision engineering and practical design in a sleek and functional automatic knife. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this automatic out-the-front, off knife boasts a 3.5-inch spear point blade that swiftly deploys with a simple slide of the firing button. Its robust build and durable construction ensure reliability in various cutting tasks. The aluminum handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing control and precision. With a convenient pocket clip and compact size, the Schaff 8B's Viper proves to be a reliable and efficient option for everyday carry or as a tactical tool, catering to individuals seeking a dependable and responsive automatic knife for various utility needs.